Have you dated an introvert, or considered it? If you're in a relationship with one, or if you're pondering the best personality type for you to date, here are surprising reasons introverts make better partners. Introverts don't need constant contact via text and phone. This is a great advantage, especially if you are a busy person. They are not needy for 27 texts a day and will often feel flooded if they receive too many texts like, "How's your day going?" They are pretty self-reliant and know how to entertain themselves. If you are on the fence about dating an introvert, hopefully you're convinced of the distinct advantages of dating one. Go ahead and dust off your introvert pickup lines or create your own. Just know that the introvert will probably take time to warm up to you, but when they do, and if the relationship is right for them, the fire will blaze hot and heavy.